Senator Risa Hontiveros filed cyber libel complaints at the Department of Justice against a former Senate witness, a lawyer, and some social media personalities allegedly behind the creation and dissemination of a viral video. The person in the viral video had accused Hontiveros of coercing testimony against the Dutertes and alleged sex offender Apollo Quiboloy. Named as respondents in the cyber libel complaints are former Senate witness Michael Maurilio, lawyer Ferdinand Topacio, and vloggers Byron Cristobal, Jeffrey Celis, Cosette Chu, Jose Sonza, and Alex Destor.
So ayon sa aking legal team, ang nararapat na kaso ay cyber libel. Dahil sa kawalang kapakialaman nila kung totoo o hindi ang kanilang kinakalat. At mga dagdag na kasinungalingan pa na sinabi nila. Hindi lang po ito kaso ng fake news. Dear colleagues, ito ay sistematiko at sadyang pag-atake pati sa mga witnesses, mga taong naglakas loob sa kabila ng kanilang takot na sabihin ang kanilang katotohanan.
In the viral video, Maurilio claimed that Hontiveros forced him to testify against former President Rodrigo Duterte, Vice President Sara Duterte, and Quiboloy. He alleged that the senator paid him a total of 1 million pesos to do so. Hontiveros denied the claim, saying that Maurilio even reached out to her office days before the video was released. According to Hontiveros, Maurilio's last communication was on June 22 and June 23, when the former witness asked for rescue. He claimed he had been kidnapped and was being held captive at Glory Mountain by the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. The senator's filing of cases comes a week after she submitted a complaint at the National Bureau of Investigation seeking its assistance to unmask and charge those behind the video of Maurilio. The senator previously said her complaint called for an investigation into several vloggers whom she accused of further spreading disinformation against her.